Hello, this is Henry, and I would like to share my trades from today. First up, we have NET. NET, I observed putting in a level here on the 15-minute chart here at 36.62, here at 9:45, here at 10:15, and we get a breakout here at 10:30. And on the 60-minute, we'll start to see a larger pattern forming. Potential ABCD pattern on the 60-minute. And for definition on the trade, we'll come down here to the 15-minute, and I take an entry here at 37.04 with a stop at 37.19, which is 5 cents above my entry candle here at 10:30. And I start taking partials down here at 36.74, around about 62, and around about 42. We get some consolidation here in this 10:45 candle. I add to my position, I move my stop lower and take partials out down here at 36.30, 36.10, and was holding for a break of the whole dollar mark at 36. But this reversed and turned around on me, and we can see here on the daily chart that NET sold off to this 50 SMA, this orange line here on my daily chart, before finding support and reversing back past my entry here. And next up we have KDP. KDP, I observed setting up on the 15-minute chart, putting in a level here at 29.68. And it started putting this level yesterday at 2:45 and 3:30. And then if we come into today, we'll see we get a breakout here at 11:30. And if we come up here to the daily, and we'll change to the 60-minute, we'll start to see a larger pattern forming here. So first up here at 9 and 10, we get a double bottom forming here. And then for this 11 a.m. candle, we'll start to see a potential ABCD forming here on the 60-minute. So I take my entry here on the 15-minute here at 29.68. My stop is at 29.62, which is 1 cent below previous day close. And I take partial up here at 29.80. This ticker sells off pretty quick here between this 11:45 and 12 candle. And we can see that my entry here on the 15-minute coincides with this orange line, which may be hard to see since it's so close to the 29.68 level. But this is the 50 SMA here, and that coincides with the entry. This profit target, you can see, coincides with this pink line, which is the standard deviation from VWAP here. As it sold off and tested the price level of 29.68 along with this 50 SMA that you can just barely see here, I exited my position, but it never went past my stop loss, and these tend to test my entry quite a bit. So I decided to add in here to re-enter, and then I added in with an average of 29.72 with the stop down here at 29.67, and was able to ride this up. And we can see that this profit target here at 12 coincides with the 50 SMA here on the 60-minute. And then it failed the pattern, and we can see here it starts to sell off, and I exit at my break even, which now coincides with this 9 EMA here on the 15-minute. But those are my trades for today. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for checking out my trades, and happy trading.